What if you could earn real crypto rewards simply by viewing ads on your phone? In today's video, we are diving into a super cool way to earn some real crypto, just by completing simple tasks. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Meet AdEasly Beta, a fast, modern platform for earning or advertising with crypto. Free to join, instant payouts, and no minimum withdrawal limits. Join over 10,000 earners already cashing out Bitcoin and other crypto. In just 3 simple steps, you can sign up, pick tasks, and get paid. Let's walk through it fast so you can start earning today. Step 1. Create your account in seconds with only an email address. No fees, no documents, no complicated verification required. Just your email and you're ready to earn without delays. Sign up on AdEasly.com and unlock tasks across websites, Telegram, and more. Fast onboarding means you're ready to earn within moments, not days. Security and privacy are prioritized while keeping the process simple. Step 2. Browse available tasks tailored to your interests and devices. Tasks include viewing ads, visiting links, joining channels, and more. Choose what fits your time and complete tasks at your own pace. New tasks are added daily, so opportunities refresh constantly. Clear instructions and progress markers make completing tasks straightforward. Finish a task and move instantly to the final step for payout. Step 3. Get paid instantly in crypto the moment a task is verified. Payouts land in your AdEasly balance with no minimum thresholds. Withdraw anytime to your wallet or let your balance grow. Bitcoin icons and live payout animations show your earnings in real time. Free to join, instant payouts, no minimums. That's AdEasly's promise. Over 10,000 users already earning. Join the community today. If you're looking to make some extra cash without breaking a sweat, this is definitely for you. Check it out and start earning today. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.